Hey, how's it going? It's Sean Bradshaw from Cyberfret.com. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you a little Carlos Santana lick, one that I lifted from his solo in Black Magic Woman. Alright, so we're going to start off this lick. This is in D minor, but I'm going to start off here at the 9th fret on the 3rd string and slide up to the 10th fret. Then the 2nd string 10th fret, 2nd string 13th fret, and 1st string 12th fret. Then I'm going to have the 1st string at the 13th fret, and then I'm going to do a series of pull-offs here. I'm going to pull off from the 13th fret to the 2nd fret to the 10th fret on that 1st string. And this finally ends with a bend on the 2nd string at the 13th fret, bending up a whole step. Now, like I mentioned, this lick is in D minor, and so kind of your centering point for this lick is that note that's on the 1st string at the 10th fret. That's your D note. So if you wanted to move this lick around, you just need to make that note the one that you want. So if we want to play this lick in C minor, so we need to make that note on the 1st string at the 8th fret, because that would be a C. Or if we wanted this for in E minor, I need to make that note on the 1st string and E there at the 12th fret. But coming back here to our key of D minor, talking a little bit about where these notes come from, the very first series of notes right here is actually an F major 7 arpeggio. It's an arpeggio that's out of a D minor scale. And so that kind of gives a sound of a D minor 9 chord if you know a little bit of theory. If you don't, it doesn't matter. It just know that these particular notes come out of a D minor scale and are the notes of a particular chord. All right. Now, I'm going to show you now the full D minor scale in this position, so that if you're kind of improvising with D minor, you'll know the note choices that you might kind of try out to improvise with. So here at the 10th fret, here is a D natural minor scale. Now, fingerings can vary depending on what you're doing. That was kind of, traditional 1 finger per fret method, and there was a shift here on that 3rd string, back 1 fret, and then back up. But if I'm improvising, I can vary the fingerings that I'm using for that. But just know that if you're kind of playing this particular lick, that D minor scale is one that you can kind of play around with to kind of add some other notes around it. You can also use D minor pentatonic, but D minor pentatonic actually is all contained within that D minor scale as well. Now, so you don't have to know a lot of that, theory that I was kind of mentioning there to make use of this lick. Just know that you can use this in a D minor situation. All right, have fun with your new Carlos Santana lick.